What's up, guys? In the GTR. I was just driving up the street in the Jag, and I seen a Chevy SS 1500 truck. So I'm not gonna see if he'll let me film it or not. I think it's sick. Be a perfect truck for Tommy since he's looking for a good tow rig. I would say screw the Duraho. I'd get this thing. This thing's badass. Alright, I'll see you when I get there. It is. You can't really see it on the camera yet. Alright, I'll be right back. He said I can take a couple videos of it. This thing is awesome. Look how clean it is for an Ohio truck.
Yeah, it doesn't get driven too much.
What motor did they put in these?
This one's a 6-liter.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's supercharged?
Turbo.
Is it 6-liter turbo?
Yep.
It's fucking awesome. Is that an aftermarket intercooler you got, or did that come factory?
No, it's got a turbo kit on it.
Oh, you put a turbo on it, then come factory turbo?
Nope, normally aspirated.
Yeah, I don't know why. I thought these were like the Lightnings, you know, supercharged.
No, honestly, for the SS, I mean, other than the 6-liter, it's more or less an appearance package.
Where'd you get the turbo from?
The kit's from a Trick Turbo.
Trick Turbo?
Yeah.
You got a whole kit for this truck?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah, the turbo's oilless. So it's a comp turbo. 67 millimeter.
Oh, it just runs on antifreeze, no oil? The thing is clean, man. You ever open the door?
Yeah, good. I mean, it's ceramic coated and everything like that. Inside's filthy.
She's super badass, man. Well, thanks, man.
Yeah. It's not completely done yet. I still gotta get it on the dyno. But
Well, it's just got like a tune that you downloaded or something?
right. It's got, I'll call it a safe tune in it. It's not anywhere near where it should be, but.
You know what size turbo or no?
67, 80 millimeter. This winter, it's probably gonna go back to comp and get rebuilt, or they're gonna resize the exhaust housing a little bit. I'm gonna go a little bit bigger on the camshaft.
Yeah. That'd be sick. You know what size cam you're gonna put it in it or no?
Not yet. I got my cam guy I'm talking to. We're trying to spec one out for it.
But you probably want to stay like just a little bit bigger so you can sort of like daily it and stuff.
It just sits in the garage.
Does it?
Yeah.
You just go balls out with it.
Right. It just gets pulled out every once in a while.
So that thing was sick. I don't know how many of you guys like American cars at all. Seems like everyone on Tommy's channel is like 100% against American. I know he is. I mean, he's got a Chevy truck. He's bought Tahoe. So, I don't know. I love that thing, man. I've always had trucks. I've always done like construction work. So, I've always had like Chevy 2500s, and I've had had 12 Chevy 2500s. So to see that thing, I've had a couple 1500s when I was younger. 6 liter with that turbo kit. If he puts the right tune on that thing will fly. See, look, the alarm's going off because I didn't put that code in. I was telling you guys last video. So I don't know. I'm gonna go home, enjoy my Sunday. Put this in some sort of video or something, maybe. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if any of this is gonna be posted ever.